Hello everyone, and I'm back for another video here on my channel. For today, I'll be sharing with you a very simple look for those back-to-school students. Students are known to have a small budget, kaya dapat affordable yung mga gagamitin natin for today. So, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo guys are the items or makeup products na talaga makikita nyo nationwide and locally available in the market. And also, they are affordable. So, swak na swak sa budget. Nung nag-aaral ako, I usually use pulbo as my makeup kasi hindi naman uso nun yung mga BB cream. Sorry napapaghalataan ng age ko. So, hindi uso nun ng BB cream, lip tint. So, ngayon na nagkakaroon ng mga ganong class ng makeups. In my time, pulbo, lipstick, lip gloss, yun lang yung mga dating ginagamit ko, and also yung blush on. So, ngayon, magti-trend tayo. Magki-trend tayo sa mga millennials. Millennials. So, as you can see, pale face ako ngayon at marami akong breakout. And, yeah, gagawin natin to without concealer. So, paano ka ba gagawin yun? So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first thing na gagamitin natin, kailangan natin muna mag-skincare. So, you may apply toner before applying makeups or simply a moisturizer. So, for this look, I'll be using this one from iWhite, the Aqua Moisturizer. For the price, 179 pesos to guys. But then, meron siyang sachet. Available to on sachets. And you may get them for only 25 pesos. 24.50, mga ganun lang. So, below 30 pesos. Product in here is from iWhite again. This is the BB Holic Everyday BB Cream from them. The price for this tube is 159.50 pesos. But then you can have it on sachet. Meron din siyang sachet and it costs only for 25 pesos I guess. So below 30 pesos lang din. It has two available shades, the light and the beige. So I'm in the light shade. Yung beige kasi for morena type. Pwedeng-pwede siya. I have breakouts. So for this video, I will not use any concealer. So still, I'll be using this BB cream to conceal my imperfections. On your face, next step na ginagawa ko is to put a baby powder. So I'm using the Johnson & Johnson baby powder. Any baby powder will do, pero usually talaga Johnson & Johnson lang yung ginagamit ko. Actually guys, ginagamit ko lang siya. So hindi na ako gumagamit ng mga sponge or whatsoever. Usually hands lang talaga yung ginagamit ko. So for this tutorial, ito na talaga yung ginagamit ko or ginagawa ko everyday when I go to simple places. So, ginaganyan ko lang siya. Then, spread. So, right now, I'll be using this product from Pinky's collection. This is the affordable and a very, very nice eyebrow product that I can recommend to you guys. So, ganito siya kahaba. At tingnan nyo naman ngayon. Talagang gamit na gamit ko. And good thing for this one, meron na rin siyang kasamang spoolie. So, you don't need to have a separate brush for your eyebrows. An affordable item for you to try. It only costs 99 pesos. for my cheek, I'll be using this lip cheek tint from KJM. So, you can have it online or sa Trinoma, sa may pop culture, meron din siya. Actually, 110 pesos ata siya. Pero pag nag-sale siya, you can have it for only 90 pesos. So, I'll be using the shade Bittersweet Magenta. For the eyes, I suggest na gumamit kayo ng lash curler. Yeah. So, huwag tayo magbubonggang eyeshadow. No. Kasi hindi tayo pupunta ng party. Pupunta tayo ng school. So, we need to be fresh and natural looking pag pumunta tayo doon. At syempre, para magkaroon ng buhay ang inyong mga mata, use this one for your lashes. And also, a mascara. This mascara is from Maybelline, the Hyper Girl Volume Express. Then, it only costs 150 pesos kapag naka-sale at 199 pesos naman yung original price niya. And good thing for this, waterproof. I'm done with the eyes, so let's move on for the lips. I'll be using a Tony Moly Delight Lip Tint. So, this is a lip cheek tint then, pero for this tutorial, I'll be using this one for my lips. Then, I'm in the shade number 2 or red. That's it, guys. This is my simple way of achieving a more natural makeup look for those back-to-school students. I hope this can help you in gaining more confidence and facing new chapter at your school. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.